Okay, return to the bike park. Huh? You're what? Here's the lineup. It's getting bigger.
Still got 35 minutes. He's all right.
Stay on the bike rack.
Are you psyched? Are you psyched? There we go. I'm good.
Probably the best way to deal with it.
What's up, dude?
Had more Red Bulls.
How are you? You're back.
Yeah.
Back for more.
For more. No crab apple today.
No crab apples yet.
Maybe not even A-line.
Yeah.
Crank it up.
Well, you're like 112 and hitting crab apple last year.
No, 55.
Oh, 55, sorry.
So, the world record at 55 apparently, and the world record, old guy'd almost die.
Okay. Don't do that.
Don't do that.
The secret of life is living.
Okay. Hopefully you're riding later.
I'll be riding later. Yeah,
Yeah, man. I'll catch you. I'll go far. All right. I ditch those guys. What chair are we on? 62. Dudes, you ready?
Yeah.
We're here. Where's our first chair? Right on. I'm happy and I'm a little bit nervous. I've been hitting jumps, but not the jumps of like Lower Canadian, which doesn't look like it's open if there's a machine in the way. So apparently it's not completely open.
Yeah, that's what people were saying.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. Enjoy it. Thank you. Dean, how was your first lap on A-line?
Glorious. How can it not be?
I went over. Oh, it's got crap on it. I went over to do crank it up, and it was closed.
That is terrible.
And you have to ride through the gondola. All right, this is the way through the trails. That's awesome. Is this what it rates? Because they're changing the cable on the gondola up there.
Ride through the gondola.
You had to ride through the gondola. All right, James, you look terrible. Woo! What's up with that? Uh-huh. Yeah. That was all just snow did that. Woo! Checking up, slow you down. Hey man! That's good. Good lap, dudes. Yeah!